Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and safety. Make sure the car battery reads above 2 volts and set ignition to accessory. Once done, remove trim panels around the infotainment head unit. You want direct access to the ECU. You'll wear an ESD strap and use a T20 driver to remove fasteners. Next, visually locate the OEM Bluetooth module connector on the ECU harness and inspect pin labels so you know which pins are for power, ground, TX, and RX. You now connect the new Bluetooth chip. First, tap the ignition switch 12V line and secure a solid ground. Do not disturb constant memory circuits. Once power is stable, wire the chip's TX to the head unit RX and RX to TX, keeping wires short and shielded. After wiring, power the system and follow the chip's firmware or command set to enable pairing mode. You'll use UART commands if required. Make sure baud rates match the head unit so communication is established. You finish by securing the module, reassembling trim, and confirming the chip receives 12V with ignition on and solid ground. Next, put the module into discoverable mode and pair from your phone using the module PIN. If none, try 0000 or 1234. Once paired, stream audio and test microphone routing. If it fails, immediately cut power, recheck wiring and pinouts. Verify you didn't swap TX/RX, and try a bench.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.